Hello lovely people, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Fumike with a new video today. To my returning subscribers, thank you so much. Thank you for always coming here. I appreciate your support and love thus far. And if you're new here, welcome. My name is Fumike. I create content on business ideas, different tutorials and lifestyle. I film from city of Lagos, Nigeria. My goal on this channel is to provide you with multiple streams of passive income, which is something I'm passionate about and I've been doing. So if any of this resonates with you, kindly consider subscribing and also turn on the notification bell so you'll be notified whenever I have a new video. Following up with one of my previous videos where I shared multiple ways in which you can earn dollars while living in Nigeria, I'll link that video right up here. Please check it out. I share transcription job as one of the side gigs you could do to earn dollars while living in Nigeria. Yeah, I'll be sharing with you websites you can get transcription jobs. If it sounds like something interesting to you, please stay tuned and don't go anywhere. So before we dive into today's topic, I think I should just do this. I'm sorry I couldn't put up a content last week. I had issue with my sight, so I had to go and see my optician. I do not use glasses before, and that is why I have my glasses on today. I'm sorry if there are distractions from the light, the ring light popping up on my lens. I'm sorry about that. So without further ado, let's get right into today's video where you can get transcription jobs while living in Nigeria or even any part of the country. It is mostly remote jobs. It used to be a globally accepted fact that making money requires so much energy, so much hard work, and you have to also be a professional to land your dream job. But not any longer. Today we can all make legit cool cash from the comfort of our home. Yes, just our smartphones and internet connection. Transcription jobs are majorly remote jobs. Yes, what you do as a transcriber is you simply listen to audios or videos, then you translate them like into written documents. You basically listen to audio and video clips, then you convert them into written documents. You don't need any experience or formal education to sign up on transcription sites. However, you need a good typing skills, good listening ears and accuracy, and all this can be achieved by constant practice. As a transcriber, all you need to have is a personal computer and internet connection, a good and strong one with your headset. That is all. Those are just the three major things you need to have as a transcriber. Transcription is actually needed by so many fields: lawyer, podcasters, speakers, journalists, doctors, research companies, and public speakers, doctors, and so many professionals. So the first site I'll be sharing with you where you can get transcription job, the first one is Go Transcript. Go Transcript is a great website for beginners in transcription. You don't need to have a fast typing skills or even experience in earning a job or getting a gig on Go Transcript. You'll be basically paid 60 cents per audio or video minute. Yes, so for every audio or video minute you convert to written documents, you're paid 60 cents as a beginner. To apply on Go Transcript, you need to complete a quiz. It's usually 10 questions and they are not so hard. You can have many trials as possible. Yes, on Go Transcript, you get to answer 10 questions. Each quiz consists of 10 questions, which you can get to answer many times, as many as possible, till you get everything. And you also need to have 100% in that quiz. On Go Transcript, you can work from anywhere. It is actually remotely. Yes, you don't need to be in a particular location. You can work from any part of the country. So the first site I just talked about is Go Transcript. Let's move to the second site. The second site you can get a transcription job is Transcribe Me. If you're looking for transcription jobs as a beginner, then this is actually a good website for you to start with. The company pays about 25 cents per audio or video minute. They break all of their works into smaller chunks of about 2 to 4 minutes. If you're one who have limited time to spend on this job, then this particular site is for you. Another good thing about the site is that you do not need to pay any membership fee. It is totally free. You need to take a short test to prove your eligibility for that particular site. The third website I'll be talking about is Rev. Rev is one of the biggest and highly rated freelancing sites for transcription job, and Rev is actually for both aspiring transcriptionists and even professionals. And if you have any language skills, you can translate from one language to another, then this is actually another plus for you. You can translate from French to English or English to French, German to English, Spanish, or any language at all. This is actually a major plus for you. This particular site pays you within 30 cents to $1 per audio minute or per video minute. If you're one who needs a flexible schedule while building your strengths on this job, then this particular site is for you. Yes, you get to build your strengths while doing this job and get many experience. All you have to do to start working on Rep is for you to sign up and also take their test, and that is all. The truth is that the test is not so difficult. It is just to test your ability, yes, your eligibility for the job. Fourth site I'll be talking about is Daily Transcription site. This is another great site to register as a beginner. They frequently advertise for new transcribers to join their team. Another good thing about this particular site is that they pay better than the other site I've mentioned so far. They pay about 75 to 85 cents per audio or video minutes. Another thing about this particular site is they provide you with multiple trainings. As a beginner, you get to learn from people. As a beginner, you have access to many trainings by this particular site. You also find some legal and academic work on this particular site as well. So for you to start working on this particular site, so just go ahead and sign up on the site and also take their tests for you to get started. You also need to have at least a typing skills of 50 words per minute. Yes, on this particular site, you need to have a typing skills of at least 50 words per minute. The next site I'll be talking about is Scribble. This is one of the highly rated platforms where you can land great gigs, yes, as a transcriber. This particular site offers many translation jobs you can do from home, and they usually provide freelancers with short clips of 10 minutes or even lesser than that. Scribble is an excellent platform for you to start up your translation job, and this is because most of the files they give out are usually short and easy to work on. They are majorly audios from calls, speeches, and interviews, so they are very easy to work on. So on this particular site, you can earn within $5 to $50 per hour. This is majorly dependent on how fast you are and how fast you submit your transcripts. So to get started on the site, you need to sign up and also go through their test, yes, their assessment, and that is just all you need to start working for this particular site. They only pay through PayPal. That is the only way they pay their freelancers. For you to work on this particular site, you need to have a working PayPal account. Please let me know if you want me to share with you how you can create a working PayPal account as a Nigerian living in Nigeria. There's so many restrictions on PayPal with Nigerians, but I have a way around it. Please let me know if you want me to share that in another video, then I'll go ahead and share it with you. Aside all these listed websites, you can actually find your client on your own. So look around you, look for those professionals you know might need transcription: the lawyers, pastors, research companies, journalists, podcasters, and so on. Meet up with them and offer to be their transcriber. That is how you network. Yes, don't close your mouth. A closed mouth is a closed destiny. Learn how to open your mouth and sell yourself. Sell what you do to people. Yes, do not close your mouth. Be proud of what you do. And the truth is that is actually one of the best way you can get clients for yourself, because when you get direct clients like that, you do not get to split your fee with any site. Like those websites, they have a particular percent they deduct from those fees, but you meeting up with those clients directly yourself, you have those like the entire money to yourself. So that's actually one of the best way of finding clients for yourself. So my final note to you is that it is actually okay to start small. Yes, I know that when you're starting, it won't be easy, yes, but when you keep doing what you're doing and you put in your best possible, I'm sure you do very great at it. Please do not despise the days of humble beginning. While taking up those small gigs, make sure you develop yourself. Make sure you partake in different trainings and different courses just to better yourself and sharpen your knowledge, and also to make you a better transcriber. The truth is, I know it can be tedious, but I know that if you put in the required effort, you can make a living out of this particular job. I'm looking forward to your success story on this particular job. Please let me know what you think about this video in the comment section, and if you have anything you feel I should talk about, if you have any particular idea, any business at all you want me to talk about, please let me know in the comment section. Like this particular video was as a result of some of the comments that came up on that particular video, where I share different side also you can do to earn dollars while living in Nigeria. I'll link that video right up here. Please check it out. I also have a lot of videos on this channel on dropshipping, on different side also ideas you can do from home or from anywhere. Please check them out. I'll also link them up here. I'm sure if you watch them, you get something valuable from those videos. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to like, comment, and share this video to as many people you know or you feel might be needing it. And if you haven't subscribed, what are you waiting for? Please, before you click off, please go ahead and subscribe now. I'll see you in my next videos and in other videos I have on this channel. Till I come your way next time. Thank you so much. I love you.